Hi friends, I am Adira Ablash, student of EIT Sydney. On the basis of Business Information System, I am going to present a topic called Role of Information System in Data Mining. So let's see what it is. This is the abstract of my report and the abstract of this presentation. In this presentation, I just go through some books and I find out a lot of things. First, I find out some concept and some detail about data mining, some techniques and some models I find out. Then I will present in here some architecture. Then I understood some important point of information systems used in data mining. Then I'll find out some of features related to importance of data mining in the management point of view or business point of view. Then some challenge and benefits of data mining. Then after conclusion. Then outline of the report or outline of this presentation. It's just like the abstract. First I discuss about the introduction, then I will discuss some technique and process of data mining, then I will discuss some models and algorithms of data mining, then I will discuss the management point of view, what's the important of data mining, then I will discuss the information systems role in data mining, and then I will discuss some challenge facing in data mining and some benefits of the data mining, then futures, scope and conclusion. These are the outline of the presentation. First, we want to know about what is data mining. Data mining means extracting or mining the knowledge from a huge amount of data, or evaluating or examining a large database, also a data mining. So I read 2 or 3 books. So from that books, some are saying that data mining is extracting the knowledge from a large data, and one book is written that it's an examine of database for getting any information. That also data mining. So sometime in the questions sometimes say that KDD, it is also called data mining. KDD means a knowledge of discovery by data. Okay, and in data mining there is some process, and first process is cleaning, then extracting, then selecting, then mining, then comes evaluating the patterns, pattern evaluation, then presentation. This data mining have an important role in the business industry for analyzing the future prediction of their business, their profits, everything is under the process of data mining. For example, in supermarket, retailers are using the data mining, or crime agencies, finding agencies are finding using this data mining. Okay, so next coming the data mining process. I got this figure from one of the book. In that book, first saying that first we want to understand the business or the domain purpose of this data mining. So first we want to understand that. Then we want to understand the datas. We need the domain related datas we needed. So first we is business understanding, then data understanding, then preparation of data. In here, preparation of data, we are there is some process, some methods, some steps. I will explain in the further slides this preparations. So there is cleaning, integration and selection process, like that. It's coming in the preparations. So then comes modeling. In modeling, we are using some mining techniques here in this modeling. Then after that we will get some patterns or we get some data. we get important data. Then in that important data we will evaluate the different patterns, and we will predict what's the outcome will come after a future. For in business, a business company, they are predicting the profits of their futures. What are the trends they are predicting with that data? Then here it's the presentations come here. Okay, these are the process in one book. This is another picture I got from another book. The same, the data mining process it is. KDD means knowledge of discovery by data. Okay, that is data mining. Here the first step is processing. Preparation of data is the first step. First we get the data from the database, and in that data we clean it. Clean it means removing the unwanted data. Then integration, combining that data and give to the we store in the data warehouse. Data warehouse means it's a place we store a lot of data. The huge data will be there with different datas. Okay, sometimes we don't need that datas. Our data will be the another informations. Whole data will be the histories. So in that data warehouse we will selecting what the data we needed. So that is selection. Then transformation. So we convert into a different format. Then data mining. Then comes the data mining. Here data mining, different techniques are using. For example, there is some techniques I will explain in the further slides. For example, I will say that if a person come to the bank and give the data of him for the loan, then there is a data mining. There is that whether that data are satisfied for the loan. There is yes or no classes will come. If the data is satisfied, then it's good to yes, otherwise no. So that techniques or classes will become here in the data mining. Then evaluations. With that data, we will evaluate different patterns and present it, and we will get the knowledge. So this is the data mining process here. This is a thing I explained before. Okay, then comes there is some algorithm using for data mining. The main purpose of this algorithm, finding some models, is we use some algorithm. Then preference is some criteria. For meeting some criteria we use the algorithm and we will find it. For another one is searching some data, we use some algorithm. These are the three main things we use the algorithm, data mining algorithms. Okay, then comes some data mining models. There are some data mining models for evaluating the future values or future data or future pattern. We are using some models. So mainly two models are there. One is predictive model, another is descriptive model. In predictive models, we have some history data or history value. With that value, we are predicting the future values or future pattern or future events. Okay, so in descriptive, it is mainly depend on the behavior of human behavior. We are expecting some patterns. For example, if a person buying the book and pen, there is a chance of buying the pencil, so we are placing the pencil near to the book or pen. So behavior of the human being we are predicting. So that is descriptive model. Predictive model, with some value we are predicting the future values. That means selling the pens and books, we are predicting that there is a chance of getting profit of this in the future. Then comes the decision trees. This is like tree models. Okay, like this tree models. Okay, then neural network means it's humans neural net related to the human neural network. That model I will explain in the future videos. This comes like that. Then some techniques. There are type of techniques used in data mining. That means some data we will get. With that data we are evaluating with some techniques, and we will classify, or we will estimating or the future value, like that. The first one is classification. In classification, there is we are grouping that values. For example, yes or no classification. I told that before. If a person come for a loan, and with his or her data, we are evaluating there is a chance of getting loan or not. So yes or no class he will go in. That is classification. Estimation, we are predicting the data's future data. With some data we are predicting. So percentage of marks. If a person getting a bad mark in the history, there is a chance of getting a bad mark in future also. That's the estimation. And associating rules, I already mentioned that if a person come for buying a pen and book, there is a chance of buying pencil also. So we are placing some pencil or near to the pen or books shelf. Okay, so that is estimating some, or we are associating some rules. And cluster is similar to a group or classification. Then anonymous detection is a pattern is generating with some values or normal values. We are uh, analyzing some pattern. That's some technique. This is the architecture of data mining. There's architecture. So this is this. First is a base, is data warehouse, database, data, World Wide Data. I'll come here. This is the data data source. Okay. Then the process. Data cleaning, data integration, data selection process coming here. Then this data go to the warehouse server. Then from the data warehouse server, the data will go to what? Mining will come. Mining engine will come. That mining engine, we are using some techniques we already discussed before. With that techniques, mining will come. Then we will evaluate. After mining, we will get some patterns, and we will evaluate that pattern. After that, we will display into the monitor or everything, the information systems. With that information system, we will get a graphical ideas or presentation in the screen, and we will, after that, we will get the knowledge. This whole process we will getting the knowledge. Okay, this is the main architecture of data mining. Then what is the benefit of data mining? With this data mining, we will easily make the decision making. Okay, can decision making is very easy. Then identifying the pattern and trend is very easy, and the customer behavior also we can analyze with that data mining. Then applications where we use the data mining. Data mining mainly use the forensic people, bioinformation, they people use the data mining. Then telecommunication use data mining. Then web mining. Web, in web we are searching for something. The data mining is the business data analyzing, the future profits loss we can that people use. And the loan, the bank sector use data mining. These are some examples. Then role of information system in data mining. We know that without information system, data mining is impossible because it's very hard process. The manually it is very impossible because mining the data, mining the knowledge, it is very impossible. So we need the information system for input devices, for like keyboards, barcode readers, scanners to input the data. Then output devices, like we after evaluating the pattern we want to see it, right? So we need the monitors or CRO. CRO means a device that is used to know knowing the variations or patterns. So with the CRO we can evaluate the patterns. Okay. Then we want to store the data, so that we need database. This all are information systems devices parts. Okay, database, warehouse, that all computers are we needed. Then we have input device, output device, we need a communication channel, right? So we need LAN and WAN and Wi-Fi, like that we need it. So information system is very important in data mining. Without information system we can't do anything. Then there is some management view. What's advantage? This is a dashboard. Here you can see that after evaluating the data, here this is a hospital management dashboard. Here we can see the medicines details, their profits, what are the datas are showcasing here. And here admin dashboard, here we can see that net profits, okay, and income statements, these all are evaluating. Okay, so comparisons we can see with the data mining. Okay, these are the one of the example. So management view, they can analyze the profits and everything. Then comes some challenge in data mining. The challenge first one is if we get an error data or improper data, then the pattern also get wrong. So quality issue is one of the problem. Another is privacy. Some sensitive data we are handling, so we want to follow some privacy. So that also one problem. Then scaling and performance difficulties. If we handling a big database and maintaining that data, that is one of the big problem. Then in conclusion, we understood that without information system, data mining is impossible. Manually, it's very impossible things. So in this data mining, it has a future scope in all industries, not only a one industry, all industry, it have the role. So without data mining we can't get anything. In even we are using the web browsers for searching the data, there are also data mining, so it have a lot of opportunities in the world. And these are the reference. I referred 3 or 4 books, and it's a vast topic. I minimize and I shortly present. Thank you.